Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to s squared plus 1. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to ask. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. Ask the ask we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over u, and I will put about c, and we can write like this. About u, that is about s squared plus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.